It's not a drone. You just speak it. Yeah. I'll translate.
It might be spoilerish, my question, so for anyone
spoilers!
Sorry? Okay, everybody who doesn't want to be spoiled, leave.
My question is, what does it feel like to explode?
She was like, you know what, that's a great question. It's going to be great, and you can have this lead up, a spoiler thing. Great question. You know, and thank you for asking it. You know, when people watch the show, they think, oh, you know, it must be hard to do things like switch between Castiel and Jimmy, or, you know, to memorize big chunks of dialogue. But from an actor's point of view, exploding, by far, is the hardest thing to do. Because, you know, I don't know if you, well, it sounds like you did watch it, but this is kind of spoilery. After I explode in the next scene, I'm alive again. So not only did I have to explode, but I had to reconstitute myself. Which takes immense focus and concentration. And you have to do it on schedule because it's a big production and people are waiting around, you know? So, like, for instance, yeah, you know, I was feeling under pressure because I couldn't find my eye. But you just gotta do it, you gotta show up for it, you gotta pull it together. So thank you for asking, I do appreciate it.